Okay. So, yan, no? Okay na yung buhok natin. Nagupitan na natin. Ayan. Alright. Hi guys, for today we're gonna cut our own hair. Alright. I'll be using this one, and it's a battery operated razor, and I've been using this for 4 years now. So I started cutting my own hair 2016 when we are in Zurich, Switzerland. Alright, let's go. Oh, and this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated on all of my new videos. And you can also click the join button to be part of my channel membership. Alright, let's go. So you can buy this for $5 or 5 euros. I bought this for 5 euros. And it comes with this one and this one. Alright. And I just bought it online. And what I normally do is start with the bigger one, number 12. Okay. And then number 9. Then number 6. Number 3, and then for the finishing touches, I take the adapters out and then just do it like this one. Alright, let's go. Okay, so what I normally do is put everything on the side first. Okay, put every hair on the side and then just cut it. Okay. Well, no. Okay, so once you are done with the side, then you can put the other hair at the other side naman, and then do the same. Alright? So you can hold your hair by your other hand. Okay. And do it. Alright. Then once you're done, sa likod naman, i-brush mo pa talikod, tapos dun mo ikakat. Patalikod naman pa ganyan. No. Okay. So, check nyo yan. So, once you are done with the gilid, with the higher number, you can switch it to lower one. So, this one is 12, and then I'll switch it to number 9, and then i-akyat nyo lang ng i-akyat din. And then after that, you will gonna switch it to number 6. For the number 6, medyo i-layer nyo na ng konti. And for number 3, mas mababa na konti. Alright? Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna switch it to number 9. Alright? And then, same pa din. Yan. Same pa din. Okay. And then, ingat lang kayo, baka ma-shape niyo yung kilay. Okay. So, this is number 9. So, ihawi nyo lang ng ihawi yung buhok nyo. Okay. Okay, so kita nyo ba? Yan. Okay na. Yan. I used number 12 and number 9. So, ang next naman natin, para magkaroon ng, para mas manipis yung pababa niya, nagamit naman tayo ng mas mababang number. So, number 6 and number 3. So, pag inangat na yung razor, you can cut hanggang dito lang siguro. Ayan. So, pag inangat mo yung razor, hanggang ganyan lang. Ayan. And then, use a line on your back as well. Same. Takpan mo, tapos hanggang dun lang sa gusto mong grade. Alright? Okay? So, we're gonna use this one. Number 6. Okay. So, hanggang dito lang. So, kanina kung tinakpan mo yung buhok mo hanggang pataas, pwede mo takpan na hanggang saan lang na gusto mo. Ayan. Hanggang dyan lang. Ayan. And then, do it out the back din. Kung hanggang saan lang yung gusto mong magkaroon ng layer. Okay. So, I've been doing this for almost 4 years now. So, medyo sanay na tayo. Okay? Okay. Alright, okay ba? Ayan. Okay na ba? Makakita niyo ba yung difference? And once we're on the 6, we can switch it to the number 3. Okay? Kung sa 6 medyo may angat na konti, so sa 3, medyo yung pinakamababa lang yung babawasan nyo. Alright? Para kita nyo yung pinaka-layer niya. So, ganyan lang. Ayan. So, pinakababa lang talaga. Ayan. Okay? Ganyan lang. Okay? Tapos sa kabila din, mababa lang. Okay? Alright, so nakita nyo na meron ng layer, di ba? So, ang next naman is tatanggalin mo na to. Okay? And then, I usually pinaputol ko yung patilya. Yan, patilya. So, pwede mong gamitin 0, yung pinakawala. And then, i-gaganon mo lang. Alright? And then, sa kabila lang din. Tapos, kung gusto mong guhitan din yung pagganito mo, pwede mong gamitin yung 0. Alright? Okay. So, once na nakat nyo na, ang next nyo na yung sa taas naman. So, ang ginagawa ko, normally, kapag gusto kong mas maikli yung buhok, ginagamit ko lang kamay, tapos, so gaganyanin nyo lang, tapos gugupitin nyo lang pataas hanggang sa kung anong haba ang gusto nyo, kung gaano kahaba yung buhok na gusto nyo sa taas. Yan. So, ang gamit ko lang kamay. Yan, kamay. So, ganyan, tapos gugupitin ko lang. Alright, so for now, siguro babawasan ko siya. Yan, babawasan ko siya ng, ipapantayan ko lang pag ganyan. Yan. Papantayan ko lang yan para medyo okay yung pagkakahaba. Pero, tingnan natin. Alright? And this is PJ Asulin. Sana ay may natutunan kayo sa paggugupit ng inyong sariling buhok. And please do subscribe and click the notification bell. And sana ay mag-join din kayo sa aking channel membership. Alright, God bless everyone and bye-bye! Okay, so yan. Okay na yung buhok natin. Nagupitan na natin. Yan. Alright. So, yung taas, gupitan ko na lang ulit next time. Alright. Thank you guys. Please do subscribe to this channel. This is PJ Azurin. And click the notification bell for upcoming videos. Alright.